Many people believe that simply walking is enough to maintain fitness after the age of 75. This misconception is widespread, often leading seniors to overlook other important aspects of physical health. Drawing on years of experience, orthopedic surgeons have observed the limitations of relying solely on walking for senior fitness. Their encounters with patients have highlighted the need for a more comprehensive approach. Motivated by these observations, they set out to find evidence-based answers that could guide older adults toward better health outcomes. This section explores the reasons behind challenging common beliefs and the importance of informed recommendations for senior fitness. While walking is often recommended as a safe and accessible form of exercise for seniors, it has important limitations. For individuals over 75, walking alone is generally insufficient to rebuild lost muscle mass, restore balance, or significantly strengthen bones. The biomechanics of walking primarily engage endurance rather than the resistance needed to stimulate muscle growth or bone density. Research and surgical outcomes have shown that without targeted strength or balance training, seniors may not regain the physical capabilities lost with age. Popular advice sometimes overlooks these realities, suggesting that walking is a comprehensive solution. However, a more nuanced approach is necessary to address the complex needs of older adults and support their long-term mobility and health. A team of 22 orthopedic surgeons embarked on a comprehensive quest to identify the most effective exercises for seniors, particularly those over the age of 75. Their approach was thorough, involving the review of hundreds of medical papers and the examination of international rehabilitation programs. To ensure practical results, they personally tested nearly 300 different exercises, focusing on muscle restoration and overall physical function. This rigorous process allowed them to separate theory from practice, highlighting movements that genuinely support strength, flexibility, and recovery in older adults. Their findings provide valuable insights for seniors seeking safe and reliable ways to maintain muscle health and independence. For seniors over the age of 75, maintaining strength, balance, and flexibility becomes increasingly important. While walking is a beneficial activity, it often leaves certain physical needs unmet. In this section, we introduce 5 essential exercises specifically designed to address those gaps. Each movement has been carefully selected based on robust scientific research, ensuring they effectively support mobility, independence, and overall well-being. By incorporating these exercises into a routine, seniors can target areas that walking alone may not fully strengthen, such as core stability, joint flexibility, and muscle endurance. Let's explore how these evidence-based exercises can make a meaningful difference in daily life. Heel-to-toe walking, also known as tandem walking, is a simple yet effective exercise for enhancing balance and coordination. By carefully placing one foot directly in front of the other, you challenge your body's ability to sense its position in space, a skill known as proprioception. This exercise is especially important because dynamic balance tends to decline rapidly after the age of 75. Practicing heel-to-toe walking helps retrain the nervous system, making it easier to maintain stability during everyday movements. Over time, consistent practice can reduce the risk of falls and improve overall mobility. Even a few minutes each day can make a significant difference in maintaining independence and confidence. Recent scientific studies have demonstrated that practicing heel-to-toe walking can significantly benefit seniors. Research indicates that this movement pattern improves balance, helping to reduce the risk of falls. Participants who regularly engage in heel-to-toe walking also report increased confidence in their mobility. Furthermore, assessments of real-world walking ability show measurable enhancements in gait stability and coordination. These findings suggest that incorporating heel-to-toe walking into daily routines can be a simple yet effective strategy for maintaining independence and safety among older adults. When practicing heel-to-toe walking, begin by choosing a flat, unobstructed surface and wearing supportive footwear. Focus on placing your heel directly in front of your toes with each step, keeping your gaze forward to help maintain balance. If you're new to this exercise, Use a wall or sturdy chair for support until you feel more confident. To progress, try walking along a straight line or on a slightly uneven surface to further challenge your balance and proprioception. You can also close your eyes or turn your head gently from side to side as you walk, but only attempt these variations once you're comfortable with the basic movement. Incorporating heel-to-toe walking into daily routines, such as moving through your home or during outdoor walks, can help reinforce stability and coordination in real-life situations. Chair squats are a simple yet powerful exercise that involves rising from a seated position without using your hands for support. This movement tests and strengthens the muscles in your legs, hips, and core, which are essential for everyday mobility. Research has shown that the ability to stand up from a chair unaided is strongly linked to independence and overall longevity in older adults. Maintaining this skill reduces the risk of falls and injuries, allowing individuals to perform daily activities with confidence. Regular practice of chair squats can help preserve muscle strength and balance, supporting a more active and self-sufficient lifestyle as we age. Recent research has demonstrated that chair squats are highly effective for older adults. Studies show that regular practice of this simple exercise leads to significant improvements in leg strength, which is essential for maintaining mobility and independence. Participants also experienced faster walking speeds, making daily activities easier and safer. Additionally, chair squats contributed to better stair climbing ability, a key factor in preventing falls and enhancing overall quality of life. These findings highlight the value of incorporating chair squats into exercise routines for seniors seeking to improve functional fitness. To perform a chair squat safely, begin by standing in front of a sturdy chair with your feet shoulder-width apart. Slowly bend your knees and lower your hips back as if you're about to sit down, keeping your chest lifted and your weight in your heels. Lightly touch the chair with your glutes, then press through your heels to return to standing. For beginners or those with limited mobility, use a higher chair or place pillows on the seat to reduce the range of motion. If you need extra support, hold on to the back of the chair or a nearby surface. As your strength improves, try squatting to a lower chair or add repetitions to increase the challenge. Always focus on controlled movements and proper form to prevent injury. Standing hip circles are a simple yet effective exercise that targets both hip mobility and the strength of stabilizer muscles. As we age, especially beyond 75, maintaining flexibility and strength in the hips becomes increasingly important. Good hip mobility supports balance and coordination, helping to prevent falls. The stabilizer muscles around the hips also play a crucial role in lateral stability, which is essential for safe walking and changing directions. By regularly practicing hip circles, you can enhance your range of motion and reinforce the muscles that keep you steady on your feet. This exercise is particularly valuable for older adults who want to maintain independence and reduce the risk of injury. Recent clinical studies have demonstrated a strong connection between hip mobility exercises and improved outcomes for seniors. Enhanced hip function has been shown to significantly reduce the risk of falls, a major concern for older adults. Research indicates that individuals who regularly perform hip mobility routines experience better balance and stability. Additionally, these exercises contribute to quicker reaction times, enabling seniors to respond more effectively to sudden changes in their environment. The evidence suggests that incorporating hip mobility into daily routines can play a vital role in maintaining independence and overall quality of life as we age. Standing hip circles are a simple yet effective exercise that can help improve flexibility and mobility in your hips. Begin by standing with your feet shoulder-width apart and placing your hands on your hips for balance. Slowly rotate your hips in a circular motion, making sure to keep the movement controlled and deliberate. Complete several circles in one direction before switching to the other side. Performing hip circles at a slow pace allows you to engage the muscles more deeply and reduces the risk of strain. Incorporating this exercise into your daily routine can enhance joint health, support better posture, and alleviate stiffness caused by prolonged sitting. Over time, you may notice increased ease of movement and improved balance throughout your day. Number 2 is the isometric wall push. Isometric exercises involve holding a position without movement, allowing muscles to generate force while minimizing strain on the joints. This approach is especially beneficial for seniors, as it reduces the risk of injury and supports joint health. By pressing against a wall and maintaining the push, muscles are activated and strengthened efficiently. Isometric training has been shown to promote rapid strength gains, making it an effective choice for older adults seeking to improve muscle function safely. The wall push is simple to perform and can be easily adjusted to match individual fitness levels. Recent scientific studies have highlighted the effectiveness of isometric training in enhancing muscle force and reducing the risk of falls. Compared to traditional resistance exercises, isometric routines, where muscles contract without changing length, have demonstrated superior improvements in strength, particularly in older adults. Research indicates that these static exercises can lead to greater gains in maximal force production, which is crucial for daily activities and injury prevention. Additionally, isometric training has been linked to improved balance and stability, factors that are essential for fall prevention. These findings suggest that incorporating isometric exercises into fitness programs may offer distinct advantages over conventional dynamic movements. As evidence continues to accumulate, isometric training is gaining recognition as a valuable tool for both rehabilitation and general strength development. To perform the isometric wall push, stand facing a sturdy wall with your feet shoulder-width apart. Place your palms flat against the wall at chest height, keeping your elbows slightly bent. Press firmly into the wall, engaging your chest, shoulders, and core muscles, and hold this position for 10 to 30 seconds. For beginners, start with shorter holds and gradually increase the duration as your strength improves. Advanced variations include standing farther from the wall or performing the push on one leg to challenge your balance and stability. Always maintain proper posture, keeping your back straight and avoiding locking your elbows. Remember to breathe steadily throughout the exercise and stop immediately if you feel any discomfort or pain. Recent studies have revealed that the ability to maintain a single leg stance is a powerful indicator of both fall risk and overall longevity in older adults. Researchers found that seniors who struggled to balance on one leg for 10 seconds or more were significantly more likely to experience falls and related injuries. Furthermore, this simple test has been linked to broader health outcomes, with poor single-leg balance correlating to increased mortality rates. The findings suggest that single-leg stance is not just a measure of physical stability, but also a reflection of underlying health and resilience. By assessing and improving balance, seniors may reduce their risk of falls and potentially extend their lifespan. To perform the single leg stance, begin by standing upright with your feet hip-width apart. Slowly lift one foot off the ground, balancing on the other leg while keeping your posture tall and your gaze forward. Hold this position for as long as you can, aiming for 10 to 30 seconds, then switch legs. As your balance improves, progress by closing your eyes or standing on a softer surface. For best results, practice this exercise daily, ideally 2 to 3 times per session. Integrate the single leg stance into your routine by doing it while brushing your teeth or waiting for the kettle to boil. Consistent practice will help you build stability and strength over time, making balance a natural part of your everyday life. While walking is a beneficial form of exercise, it often falls short for seniors over the age of 75 when it comes to maintaining overall physical health. Walking primarily engages the lower body and cardiovascular system, but it does not adequately challenge the muscles responsible for strength, balance, and mobility. As we age, these areas become increasingly important to prevent falls and maintain independence. The 5 targeted exercises introduced here are specifically designed to address these critical gaps. By focusing on muscle groups and movement patterns that walking overlooks, these exercises help improve stability, increase functional strength, and enhance joint flexibility. This comprehensive approach supports seniors in staying active and safe, ensuring a higher quality of life as they age. Beginning your journey toward greater independence doesn't require drastic changes overnight. Start with the exercise that feels most approachable to you and allow yourself time to build confidence and strength. As you become comfortable, gradually introduce additional exercises, adapting them to your abilities and needs. The true foundation of progress lies in consistency. Regular practice will yield noticeable improvements over time. Remember, it's perfectly normal to adjust your routine as you learn what works best for you. By staying committed and flexible, you set yourself up for lasting independence and well-being. We encourage you to share your own experiences and any challenges you've faced along your fitness journey. Let us know which exercise you're planning to start with, or if there's a particular routine that has worked well for you. By sharing your thoughts and questions, you help create a supportive community where everyone can learn and grow together. Your insights might inspire others who are just beginning or looking for new motivation. Remember, every journey is unique, and your story could make a difference for someone else. As we conclude, it's important to remember that staying active is one of the most effective ways seniors can protect their health and well-being. Regular movement not only supports physical strength and balance, but also helps maintain independence as we age. By dedicating time to these exercises today, you are investing in your ability to enjoy daily life and remain self-sufficient in the future. Proactive steps taken now can make a significant difference in mobility, confidence, and overall quality of life for years to come. Prioritizing movement is a simple yet powerful choice that empowers seniors to thrive.